How to create a shortcut on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily create a shortcut on Snapchat. Creating shortcut allows you to send snaps to everyone on your friend list or the chosen person at once. So if you don't want to select all of your people that you have on Snapchat individually, then you can just create a shortcut and add all of them to your shortcut to directly send them. So first of all, open up your Snapchat, and once you head over to your chat section, on the top you will see different options like all, unread, groups, your shortcut icon, and then a new. So just tap on new, and here you have an option to create a new shortcut. So what you really want to do is just tap on this new option, and if you don't see this here, then what you need to do is go ahead and click a picture like this, then tap on send to, and here you will see this plus icon at the top. Just tap on this one and you'll have an option to create a new shortcut. Just tap on new shortcut. Here you will have an option to add all of your people on your shortcut, and once you have done that, you can just go ahead and tap on create shortcut. Now here you'll have to choose an emoji first, so just tap here and select an emoji. And once you have done so, you can just tap on done and create shortcut. Now you have successfully created your shortcut. So all you need to do now is tap on send to and select this shortcut right here, then select all, and you'll be able to send your snap to everyone on your shortcut. And it's as easy as that. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.